In this quick 1-minute video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp link from where people can tap on it in order to redirect you straight to your WhatsApp in order to send you a text message. This is important so you can actually put that link on your Instagram bio and many other social media pages. Now, this is how it goes. All you need to do is simply hop into safari.com, for example. Let me create a new tab, and then you just need to follow up this specific URL. Just type here wa.me and then / your phone number in here. For example, your phone number can be something like 258. In my case, the very first digit should be your country code. In my case, +258 is the country where I am registered right now. Next up, you need to type in the number. It's gonna be, for example, 8456785547. For example, this is the URL already. In your case, for example, if you are in the States, the code is +1. So you'll have to type in here 1 and then followed by your number. This is the link right here. Let me copy it and then you can simply share it whatever you wish to share. Let me tap on go. You'll see what's going to happen. It's going to ask me to open up my WhatsApp. I'm going to tap in open and it's going to try to immediately text that specific number. Let me tap in here and open in WhatsApp. There we go. It's initiating a conversation with this specific number and I'm ready to send a message to this specific WhatsApp number in here. And this is how easy you can actually create a link from where people can send you a message on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Fixed by Shaq and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.